Everyone thinks the best-selling countertop compost bin is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Epica Stainless Steel Bin. Let's kick things off with the Epica Countertop Compost Bin. This sleek 1.3-gallon bin sells for about $29.98 and is definitely a fan favorite, with a solid 4.7-star rating from over 20,600 reviews. If you want a stylish and effective way to manage your food scraps without odors taking over your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. What really caught my attention here is its design. Recognized in Bon Appetit and Forbes, this bin is compact yet spacious enough to hold days' worth of compostable waste. It features an airtight lid and a replaceable activated charcoal filter, which helps eliminate those unpleasant kitchen odors naturally. Here's why this matters for you specifically. No one wants their home smelling like a compost heap, right? Now I'll be real with you. Some users mention that the carbon filter needs to be replaced regularly and can add to the overall cost. However, here's the thing, the filter lasts over 6 months if handled properly. Considering the odor control, that's a small price to pay for a fresh kitchen. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish solution to composting without the smell. Skip this one if you want a larger capacity bin or if you're not keen on regular maintenance. For the price and quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if that filter maintenance bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a built-in system. Product number 2, Epica Copper Bin. Next up is another Epica model, but this time in a stunning copper finish. Also weighing in at 1.3 gallons and priced the same at $29.98, it boasts the same 4.7-star rating. If you want to add a touch of elegance to your countertop while managing food waste, this is definitely worth a look. Just like its stainless steel sibling, this bin features an airtight lid with a charcoal filter to keep odors at bay. The copper finish adds a unique aesthetic appeal that blends well with various kitchen styles. It's compact, measuring 7.16 inches in diameter and 11 inches tall, which means it won't take up too much counter space. Here's why this matters for you. Aesthetics matter in your kitchen, and this bin manages to combine beauty with functionality. However, a few users mentioned that the copper finish can tarnish over time. Now, while that's true, a simple polish can restore its shine. It's a minor trade-off for the look it brings to your kitchen. This bin is perfect for you if you're keen on style without sacrificing function. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward utilitarian design. For the functionality you get at this price, it's still a fantastic choice. Alright, that was a stylish option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those tight on space. Product number 3, Epica Black Bin. Now let's talk about the Epica Black Bin. Just like the others, it's 1.3 gallons and priced at $29.98, maintaining that impressive 4.7-star rating. If you're looking for a sleek and discreet composting solution, this one deserves your attention. The black finish on this model offers a modern twist while still providing the same odor-blocking features of its siblings. It comes with an airtight lid and charcoal filter, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to compost without the smell. Plus, it's made from high-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Here's why this matters. It won't deteriorate over time, which means your investment stays protected. One downside some users mentioned is the bin's size. While it's compact, some families found it a bit small for their needs. But honestly, if you're a smaller household or just have less waste, it's more than adequate. This option is perfect for you if you have limited kitchen space and want something that looks good too. Skip this one if you generate a lot of compostable waste. For the quality you're getting, it's still a great deal. Now, if you want something larger with a more flexible design, you'll want to hear about our next pick. Product number 4, Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin. Now let's look at the Utopia Kitchen Countertop Compost Bin. Priced at $24.29 and rated 4.6 stars from nearly 19,900 reviews, this one could be your go-to if you want a reliable and functional design. If you want a budget-friendly composting option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth a serious look. It also comes with charcoal filters that naturally trap odors, making it perfect for keeping food scraps handy without the smell taking over your kitchen. That's crucial if you're composting regularly. One flaw some users pointed out is that it can be a bit challenging to clean since the design doesn't have a removable inner bucket. But here's the thing. If you're diligent about cleaning it regularly, it should serve you well for years. This bin is perfect for you if you want a reliable and functional composting solution on a budget. Skip this if you're looking for something that's a bit more stylish or easier to clean. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this choice. Now, if you want something that emphasizes ease of cleaning above all else, our final product is just for you. Product number 5, Barnyard Designs Compost Bin. Last but not least is the Barnyard Designs Compost Bin. Priced at $21.95 and rated 4.5 stars with over 1,200 reviews, this is a great pick if you want something that's easy to clean and manage. If you want a compact composting solution that's user-friendly, this one might just be your best bet. It comes with extra smell-absorbing filters, ensuring that odors are minimized while you compost. This is key if you want to keep your kitchen fresh while reducing waste. However, some users found the size to be a little limiting if they have a larger family or generate a lot of food waste. But if you're more of a single-person household, this size is perfect for daily scraps. This bin is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly, easy-to-clean option. Skip this if you have a larger family or a need for a bigger capacity bin. For the price, it's an excellent value, especially considering the ease of use. So there you have it. We've covered 5 fantastic countertop compost bins. Whether you want style, functionality, or ease of cleaning, there's something for everyone. The Epica models are great for aesthetics and odor control, while Utopia Kitchen offers affordability without sacrificing quality. And Barnyard Designs is perfect if cleaning is a priority. Choose the one that fits your kitchen best.